Because, you know, I cannot forget you. Alam mo bakit? During the time, I attended a Blue Ribbon committee hearing and you were present there. And you told that committee at sinabi mo, tinawagan kita. Nung tinatawagan kita, sinabi mo raw, I am endorsing an NGO para dun mo ilagay yung pondo ko. At ang sinabi mo rin sa committee noon, na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko. Apakasinungaling mo. Because according to the chairman of PAGCOR, si Chairman Tenko, during the previous Senate hearing, pinagkatiwalaan kayo ni Cassandra Lee Ong. Do you know her?
Yes, Your Honor.
At kayo raw ang authorized representative na pinagbigyan ng 6 months na buwis nila sa PAGCOR. Tama ba? How did you know Cassandra Lee Ong?
She was one of the employees there, Your Honors. Of Lucky South.
Na involved sa Pogo?
Yes, Your Honors.
Sa PORAC to, no?
Yes, Your Honors.
Okay. What can you say about the statement of PAGCOR Chair?
Your Honors,
na kinubra mong pera na Lucky South 99?
We strongly deny that, Your Honors, because if
hindi mo raw binayad sa PAGCOR.
Even for the sake of arguments, Your Honors, if you will look at 6 months, 6 months is 150 per month after $50,000 per month. That's not even supposed to be $500,000. That's supposed to be about $900,000. And when we parted ways with Lucky South, Your Honors, we parted ways well. I left them June of 2023 because at that time, after the meeting with PAGCOR, where they called for us for an executive meeting among Pogo operators, where I represented Lucky South at that time as an authorized representative, they already came out with the new guidelines. And the new guidelines specifically mentioned about authorized representative being already as liable as key officers.
If I may, SP Pro Temp, interject. Dagdag lang sa tanong ni SP Pro Temp. Actually, iginigiit din ni Attorney Roque na tinakbo nyo yung pera ng Lucky South 99. Totoo po ba yun?
No, ma'am.
To ask a second time?
Because up until now, ma'am, I just heard about it during the Senate hearing.
So, tinatanggi nyo rin yung sinabi ni Attorney Roque.
Yes,
you are opposing what he said?
Yes, ma'am. Because up till now, ma'am, if I suppose that could have happened, there are only two things that will happen to me. Either I'm dead by now, or I might be dead by now with that amount, or two, I might have a court case already somewhere happening, but there's nothing of that effect, Madam Chair.
Attorney Roque, ginigiit nyo pa rin ba na tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan yung pera ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po nanggaling sa akin yan. Yan po isang ayon doon kay Cassie Ong. Kaya kung nga po siya
so
sinamahan.
Si Cassie Lee Ong ang
siya
nagsabi,
po ang nagsabi.
Na
Kaya
tinakbo
po,
ni Mr. Cunanan.
At ang totoo po niyan.
Teka po. So, si Cassie Lee Ong ang ayon or nagsabi
Tama
na
po yan.
tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan ang pera ni Cassie Lee Ong sa Lucky South 99.
Hindi po niya pera, yung pambayad sa PAGCOR.
Of course, that's what I mean.
South.
So,
Opo.
tinakbo di umano ni Mr. Cunanan, yung binanggit din ni Mr. Cunanan ngayon lamang na 6 na buwang buwis ng Lucky South 99.
Yan po ay isang ayon kay Cassie Ong.
Yes, and therefore, sinamahan nyo siya sa PAGCOR. So, itatanong ko pa po yun mamaya. Yes, SP Pro Temp, you still have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Kailan na natapos yung serbisyo mo sa Pogo?
Yung technical work ko namin, Your Honors, immediately terminates upon issuance of their license. Tapos so,
When was this?
like yung sa Lucky South 2021 nila nakuha yung lisensya nila. Ang ganun din ho yung sa Hong Sing naman 2021 if I'm not mistaken no nakuha nila. 21. So, Your Honors, what happened is after that nire-request na lang ho nila ako kung wala meron silang sulat na natanggap once a month or every other month. They request that if I can visit them and read on the papers that they receive, and then they pay us on a man-hour basis.
So wala na kayong connection sa Pogo as early as 2022?
Yes, Your
Or
Honor.
2021?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung kayo, bakit kayo nirereklamo noong July 2023 na hindi ninyo binabayad yung taxes ng Lucky South sa PAGCOR?
I have the same question, Your Honors.
Huh?
I have the same question, Your Honors.
What do you mean?
Hindi rin ko alam bakit. Most likely, it's part of what they want to do, Your Honor.
So anong
Sorry, SP Pro Temp. Most likely, it's part of what?
Yung operational, I don't know what they wanted to do, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Cunanan.
Anong proof mo?
Yes.
Na nagbayad ka sa PAGCOR? Nagbayad ka ba? Sa Pagcor?
Your Honors, hindi naman ho all the time ako na kapag po hindi,
Pinagkatiwalaan nga sa yung pera eh.
pag yung nga kung sinasabi
May
nila,
kasi
meron ho
Leong.
silang, pag meron ho silang hindi lang sila makapunta, but they were the ones who's paying, Your Honors. Pag hindi lang ho sila makapunta ng Manila and they need somebody to help them pay, then we assist them. But we do not handle it, Your
Pero ang
Honors.
sabi nga ni Cassandra Leong, na binigay daw sa yung pera, pero hindi mo nga binayad. Yun ang sinabi ni Chairman Altenco.
Which we
SP
deny,
Pro
Your
Temp,
Honors.
excuse me, Mr. Cunanan, if I may interject. Could we ask Chair Tenco, ano exactly yung sinabi ni Cassie Leong at ni Attorney Roque sa inyo tungkol kay Mr. Cunanan?
Nung ulitin ko lang po, nung himingi po ng appointment noon si former Secretary Roque, dumating po sila sa akin tanggapan. Ang kasama po ni Secretary Roque ay si a certain Cassandra Leong. At yun po ang dinudulog niyang matulungan sapagkat ang problema po ni Binibining Cassandra Leong is yung authorized representative nila supposed to be na nakamarka naman doon na si Ginoong Cunanan ay hindi daw po binabayad yung pinagkakatiwala nilang pera kay Mr. Cunanan sa Pagcor.
So yan po yung averment nga ni Miss Cassie Leong.
Oo, at
Pero
nandun po,
sinasabi din yun ni Attorney Roque na yun yung agenda ng meeting pagpunta sa inyo.
Tinutulungan po si...
So pareho po yung sinasabi ni Miss Cassie Leong at ni Attorney Roque na ang problemang dinudulog sa Pagcor ay si Mr. Cunanan ay hindi ibinayad sa Pagcor yung kinolektang buwis ng Lucky South 99.
Kulang po $500,000 US dollars.
Dollars po, $500,000 US dollars.
$500,000 US dollars po. Ang totoo po, sabi pa ni Cassandra Leong sa amin noon, ni Attorney Fernandez, habang nag-uusap kami, meron na pong nagbabayad sa isang land bank branch sa account ng Pagcor na partial payment. Kaya po pag-alis po ni former Secretary Roque at ni Ms. Cassandra Leong, inatasan ko po si Attorney Fernandez, paki-verify mo nga kung totoo yung sinasabi nilang may nagbabayad. And bumalik po sa akin si Attorney Fernandez, totoo pong may partial payment na ibinayad sa land bank, account po ng Pagcor, nagkakahalaga po ng $203,000 US dollars.
Sino po ang nagbayad ng ganung partial payment?
Alam niyo po, pwede naman kayo mag-walk-in lang sa land bank, basta ibigay niyo lang yung account number ng Pagcor. Hindi na po natin makikilala kung sino nakapagbayad.
So may nag-partial payment po dahil hindi $203,000.
Ang totoo po, yung balanse, hiniling po ni Binibining Cassandra Ong na kung maaari pay overtime. So, nabayaran naman po yung balanse na halos 300,000 po or a little less than $300,000 US dollars. Overtime po nabayaran yun.
Okay po, pero
kaya po
yes,
walang naging utang si Lucky South sa amin. Dahil requirement po yun, himihingi po sila ng pagkakataon din na ma-issuehan muli ng bagong lisensya dahil mag-i-expire na po 2020 po nung na-issue nung nakarang administrasyon So mag-i-expire na po. Kaya sabi namin, hindi maproproseso yan kung meron kayong pagkakautang sa Pagcor.
Basta po ang malinaw, nung araw na pumunta si Cassie Leong, accompanied by Attorney Roque sa opisina nyo, ang nirereklamo nilang dalawa, nilang pareho na problema ay may perang dapat ibinabayad si Mr. Cunanan para sa Lucky South 99 na hindi niya ibinayad sa Pagcor. Pareho silang dalawa ang yun ang sinasabi sa inyo.
Maliwanag po yun. At ang
Alright,
totoo,
salamat
tinanong ko po, sino po ba si Mr. Cunanan? Dahil hindi ko naman po siya kakilala. Ang sagot po ni Binibining Cassandra Leong, siya po ang authorized representative ng Lucky South 99. Nung binerify ko naman po, siya nga yung si Mr. Dennis Cunanan ang talagang nakalistang authorized representative ng Lucky South 99.
Salamat, Chair Tenco. SP Pro Tem?
Thank you, Madam Chair. So wala ka nang hinahawakan na pogo ngayon?
Wala na po, Your Honors.
Ano, umalis ka lang o tinanggal ka ng mga kliyente mo?
I left, Your Honors.
Why did you leave?
Yun nga po, meron na pong bagong guidelines yung Pagcor which requires the authorized representative to be as liable as the key officers. And we're not any part of their operations. We don't know what they're doing after. So it's not anymore tenable, Your Honors, to be part of such work.
Alright, going back to sa testimony ni Chairman Al, according to Cassie Leong, binigay sa'yo yung pera. So you deny it na binigay sa'yo yung pera at hindi mo binayad?
Yes, Your Honors. Yung lahat ng naging accountability namin, Your Honors, were properly documented. And
Kasi
it was,
sabi ni
it was submitted to them.
Cassandra Ong, binigay daw sa'yo yung pera, pero tinakbo mo raw yung
Wala.
pera. Hindi mo raw binayad.
It's not true, Your Honors.
Ha?
It's not true, Your Honors. Everything that were entrusted to us were properly documented, Your Honors.
How did you know Cassandra Leong? How did you get to know her?
Your Honors, when they were talking to us, Ms. Han Gao introduced her to me as one of the authorized representatives supposed to be. Siya, si Han Gao, yung Charlotte, at saka a certain Shang Ji, yung kanilang chairman. Nung hindi makarating yung Shang Ji, yung chairman nila dahil nasa Singapore, at that time, masabi nila, ako ang pinalito nila as authorized representative.
How did you know her?
Si
Sino nagpakilala sa'yo?
Yung Charlotte Sia po, sir.
Sino si Charlotte Sia? Yung
yung-
dalawang yung Porak.
Yeah, hindi sir, sa Porac po, tama. Sa Porac po siya na interpreter na apparently when I saw her sign the documents, she was the designated president at that time when she was signing documents for Lucky South for their service provider contract.
Hindi kasi nagtataka ako, bakit bigla ka pumasok dito sa Pogo industry? Bakit naging masyadong attractive ka dito sa mga Pogo industry?
We were not really attracted, sir. What happened is we were looking for an office in Angeles at that time because we have a client who wanted us to help them with their cityhood campaign in Central Luzon. So maganda pong area, taga Pampanga rin po ako, maganda yung area ng Angeles for our operations. And then, itong mga to, inintroduce sa amin na investor nga po dun sa area kung saan kami tumitingin ng office, sa Porac. At sabi, they're looking for somebody who can help them work on things. So, dun ho nag-umpisa yun, sir.
Okay, during the duration ng ikaw ang consultant nito mga Pogo na ito, was there a time na nakapag-negotiate ka, nakapag-bargain ka sa Pagcor, halimbawa?
No, sir. I didn't even have any chance to go to...
Kasi kailangan ng lisensya ng Pagcor. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Wala ka bang kinakausap na tiga Pagcor?
OGLD lang
Para
po yung
expedite
kausap.
yung lisensya ng
Wala ko kaming ganun,
Pogo?
Your Honors. Kasi, ang kausap lang ko namin nun, security guard. Pag may kailangan kaming hingin na documents na nakukuha namin sa baba. Sa
Security
ground floor.
guard?
Yes, Your Honors. Doon nila iniiwan. Kuwari, OGLD lang po yung kausap namin.
Bakit security guard?
Hindi, iniiwan ho nila sa security guard, Your Honors. Kasi may pandemic noon. Bawal pumanik sa mga offices ng Pagcor. So, doon sa security guard sa baba, doon namin nire-receive lahat ng documents. So, doon din namin po pinapareceive yung mga documents.
Alright. Aware ka ba sa mga kasong final against you ng CIDG, ng PAOK?
Yes, Your Honors.
What is the status of the cases?
We're waiting. We just received the complaint, Your Honors, and we're working on our affidavit on it.
Why do you think that they filed the cases against you?
There was actually, Your Honors, there was no allegation there. It was just mentioned that I was an authorized representative. When
Alright.
they
Are you-
applied
Mr. Chair,
Yeah.
wala bang pending na kaso against Mr. Cunanan? Kasi alam ko meron din dating ban, hindi siya makaalis ng bansa. So, resolved na ba yun?
they are still ongoing, Madam Senator.
So, are you helping in a capacity as a lawyer, as a liaison to all of these companies? Are you a lawyer, sir?
No, Your Honors.
So ba't opisina mo ang nilapitan para mag...
Hindi ho nilapitan, Your Honors. Nagkatagpo kami ho dun sa lugar kung saan kami naghahanap ng office. Tapos nandun din sila, dun sila nag-invest. Dun
So,
sa
is
may
your
park.
company a realty company? Is it a consulting company?
Consulting company, Your Honors.
I'm sorry, what?
Consulting po. Consulting company.
So,
Yun
it
talaga
seems
din.
like you tend to attract certain mindset and group of individuals. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Senator Grace. Mr. Cunanan, are you the same Dennis Cunanan who was a former TLRC Director General?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have been sentenced by the Sandigan Bayan for graft to 10 to 18 years for malversation.
We have, Your Honors, which is still pending in the Supreme Court right now, but we have more acquittals that came out, Your Honors.
Excuse me?
We have more acquittals, Your Honors.
You were acquitted? Di ba you were
Yes, sir.
convicted?
Meron pong conviction at may acquittal.
Uh,
May 9 acquittals po, Your Honors.
Because, I cannot forget you. Alam mo bakit? During the time, or when I was my second term as senator, when I was already embattled, I attended a Blue Ribbon committee hearing, and you were present there. I remember very vividly. And you told that committee that to I'm sorry, this is off topic already. Inaano ko lang yung credibility nitong taong ito.
Alright, SP Pro Temp.
At sinabi mo, tinawagan kita. And nung, ano, nung tinatawagan kita, sinabi mo raw, I am endorsing an NGO para doon mo ilagay yung pondo ko. I have never called you and I do not know you from Adam. At ang sinabi mo roon sa committee noon, na na-recognize mo lang yun boses ko. Apakasinungaling mo. Naalala mo yun? Naalala mo yung sinabi mo? Na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko? Hindi naman kita kilala, hindi naman kita tinawagan? Naalala mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tinawagan ba kita?
If I can recall at that
You
time,
just
Your
saved your skin.
No, Your Honor. If I can recall at that time, it was Ben Hurloy who called, not me.
It was?
It was Ben Hurloy, Your Honor, not me.
You said before that committee that it was my voice. You assumed that it was my voice. Kaya hindi kita makalimutan eh. Napakasinungaling mo. I'm sorry for bringing this up, Madam Chair. Tinetest ko lang yung credibility nitong taong ito eh.
It's alright, SP Pro Temp. Salamat po.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Nicanor Racho, may kasabihan tayo na ang magnanakaw, galit sa kapwa magnanakaw. Pahayag naman ni Ronnie Perale, nahiya naman kami sayo. Ikaw nga convicted ka na at may guts ka pa mag-question sa kredibilidad pa ng tao. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Teodoro Malo, the nerve and the audacity calling out someone like you are the cleanest person ever. Para ka lang nananalamin dyan. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.